What's up, guys? Welcome to A Day in Life with Ace of Decks. Today we are getting ready to head out, but before we leave, we need to place an order for some retractable screens. We got the order placed and we got the bill, unfortunately, and so we're gonna get this bill taken care of and head out. So we got an order for 2 screens that we signed on a couple weeks ago, and now we have to make a payment. They went through production, they're about to ship them out, and we're about to see if we can process a almost $22,000 payment on a credit card. So let's see what happens. All right, guys, the moment of truth. What do you think? Is it gonna go through or not? I've never processed a payment, or I've never processed a $22,000 payment on a debit card. Let's see. I'm trying to save my information. Oh God, I'm nervous. Oh, what the fuck? I have to make an account? What the hell?
You ever ordered from here before?
I have, but... Holy shit. It actually went through. Bam, baby, look at that. Paid with a debit card. Now I'm broke. Alright, let's go get some work done.
And where are we going?
Alright, so we are gonna go do a little bit of filming. We finished up a screen project. Well, we're gonna finish it. Got a customer that got some damaged parts when they got a little bit damaged when they were shipped. So we got the replacement parts. We're gonna go replace that, record some filming, or record a little bit of content so you guys can see what that looks like. All right, so some of you guys have probably seen our videos just randomly start up, and you know, we kind of took off with social media, and you might be wondering, like, what the hell got into you, Kevin? Well, I'll tell you what the hell got into me. I've always known that video has been important. Last year I made a $150,000 sale on the spot because of a video that I posted, and it was a good video, but you know, it wasn't all that. So that really put things into perspective in terms of how important it is for people to know you. And it's uncomfortable, you know. I don't like doing it. It's something that I'm really challenging myself in doing. It makes me uncomfortable. I don't like being in front of the camera. We'll eventually do a bloopers video so you guys can see how bad I choke. But you know, the reality is, like, you know, you just got to put yourself out there sometimes, and you never know what kinds of opportunities can come from that. So now we're what, like maybe 2 months into recording or something like that. So, and it's gotten a little bit easier. You know, I still get stuck. I still think about, what am I gonna say? What are people gonna think? You know, all that stuff is still in your mind. But you know, at the end of the day, you just gotta say fuck it and just do it. Bite the bullet, just do it. And you know, it's getting a little bit easier. I'm getting familiar with Sal, and you know, we've established a friendship now, so it makes it a little bit easier. So that's why we're doing it. It's a personal challenge for myself to show my journey, to be vulnerable, and show you guys the real deal of what happens in a outdoor living company. It's not as easy as it seems. A lot of people just post pictures of you know, finished projects, and I have fallen victim to even looking at that, seeing other companies finished pictures, and just thinking, man, like, I wish I was that company. And the reality is, they've gone through some shit too. So I'm gonna pull back the curtain, show you guys who we are, what we do, and hopefully provides a little bit of insight.
Here's a bench that needs to be made too.
Yeah.
So he wants us to do the bench. So he wants us to give him numbers on the bench.
Done deal, baby. Closing deals. Sir. My writing sucks. What's up, guys? Welcome to Hinsdale. Today we are coming to finish up a project. Our original screen had a little bit of a dent on the bottom bar, so we're just going to switch it out really quick and be on our merry way. Here, our electrician helps us with our projects. ¿Qué onda, güey? Ya levántate.
Traigo tus cosas.
Mis cosas.
¡Ay, güey! No, pues.
No, tú puedes. Tú eres más hombre. I know, that was cool. Would've. That's cool. Now you see me? Now you don't. No. So we had a little bit of an incident during shipping. Had a little bit of a scratch. So we just came out here to swap this out, put a new one in, and we'll be good to go. But still works. There you go.
No necesita porque.
Yeah, it's fine. Ya casi sale. All right, so the way that these bottom bars work, at the bottom of our screens, we've got these welded zippers. So these are really strong, and all you got to do to install it, as you can see, it's got a little channel chaser. Just stick it in there. Well, just stick it in there, and then just pull it right through. Slide it right in. Now this is weighted, so this is weighted, so the weight of this bottom bar is what keeps the screen nice and stretched out. And then on the ends here, pull it back a little bit. On the ends, we have these that hold the screen stretched out on the sides, and that slides right inside, bam, and then it falls within the track. So once you have everything installed here, you got this little flap, and then this little block. You stick it in here, and then you stretch it, screw it into place, and it holds everything nice and tight. Same thing on these sides. As you can see, we got the same zipper. We got a channel. These are the side tracks, and they just slide right up the side of the screen, and that helps us make the space bug-proof. So it keeps everything nice and sealed, keeps the screens nice and stretched out, and just falls right into place. Screw it in, you're good to go. Boom. All right, so we left the screen just a little bit high. or low, I guess. See how it stops there? There's a little bit more room to raise it, so that it looks a little bit better. So we're just gonna reprogram the remote and have it be a little bit more flush. So now I just gotta pop this out with the remote. And it's a pretty simple program to set the limits. We're gonna reset our upper limit. So you press and hold. Okay. And then you just preset your limit a little bit higher. Perfect. So now you don't see the air anymore. It's just a nice, cleaner look. Hit the stop button, and that's set. Perfect. Come back up. I was telling you, like, one of my favorite things about doing what I do is getting to work in high-end communities. And for me, the way I see it when I'm driving around or driving to a consultation or driving through a neighborhood where we're doing some work, is just kind of like I see it as like a glimpse into the future, seeing like what the future holds. Like, I know that at one point, as long as like I don't keep working and, you know, health is fine and nothing happens, like I know that eventually I'll be living in a community like this, and it's just like, it's just nice. It's like a way to like project that vision and like think ahead. But I really love it. Every time I drive into a community like that, I'm like, man, I would buy that house.
It motivates you, right?
Yeah, it's motivating.